Charts in Calc. A chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. It makes it easier to draw comparison and analyze the growth, relationship, and trends among the values in a table. Components of a chart. A chart has the following components. Chart title. Chart title describes the main aim and content of the chart, which represents your chart. X-axis. X-axis is the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also called the category axis. Y-axis. Y-axis is the vertical axis of the chart. It is also called the value axis. Plot area. It is the rectangular area bounded by the two axes. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category, and value axis. Data series. Data series is related to the set of values. It is represented by the bars or slices that represent the data values. Data labels. Data labels includes data values, category name, series name, legend keys, and values from cells. Grid lines. These can be either horizontal or vertical lines depending on the selected chart type. It makes it easier to read and understand the values. Legend. Legend is a key which shows the meanings of symbols and colors used in the chart. Chart area. The area that includes all objects and elements in a chart. Creating a chart. To create a chart, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the range of cells that contains data. For example, A1 is to C6 in this case. Step 2. Select the Insert Chart option from the menu bar. The Chart Type dialog box appears. Step 3. Select a chart type. In this case, we have selected column. Step 4. Click on the Next button. The selected range is already shown in Data Range text box of Data Range dialog box. Step 5. Click on the Next button. The Data Series dialog box appears. This dialog box is used to define properties of data series shown in chart. Step 6. Click on the Next button. The Chart Elements dialog box appears. Step 7. Type titles for chart, X-axis and Y-axis in respective text boxes. Step 8. Click on the bottom radio button of Display Legend section. Step 9. Click on the Finish button. A chart will be inserted in the worksheet as shown. Types of charts in LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc provides a variety of different chart formats such as bar, column, pie, line, area, donut, scatter, bubble, net, and stock. Line chart. It is used to show trends over a period of time. It is similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its values on X and Y axis. It uses connecting dots to display trends over a period of time. Column chart. It is usually used to display the data in the form of vertical bars. It is used to show the changes in data over a period of time or comparison among the different data items. The categories are represented on the horizontal axis and the values are represented on the vertical axis. Pie chart. It is a circular chart divided into sectors where each sector shows the relative size of each value. It always shows only one data series. It is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Bar chart. The bar chart displays the data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars. These bars can be placed horizontally on the chart area. It illustrates the comparison amongst the individual items. In this chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and values are represented on the horizontal axis. Area chart. It is used to display the quantitative magnitude of the data graphically. These charts are based on the features of the line chart. They basically emphasize the area between the line and the axis with the help of the colors, textures, pictures, etc. Change chart type. You can change the type of an existing chart at any time. Perform the following steps to change the chart type. Step 1. Double-click anywhere on the chart. The formatting toolbar will appear below the menu bar. Step 2. Click on the Chart Type tool. The Chart Type dialog box appears. Step 3. Click on the line from the left pane of the Chart Type dialog box. Step 4. Click on the Points and Lines option from the right pane. Step 5. Click on the OK button. The chart will change to line chart similar to this. Change chart layout. You can change the layout of your chart. This means that you can format, move, and even add components to a chart. Perform the following steps to change the chart layout. Step 1. Double-click anywhere on the chart. Step 2. Click on the Titles tool from the toolbar. Step 3. In Titles dialog box, type title for the chart in Title text box, title for X-axis and Y-axis in X-axis and Y-axis text boxes. Remember, X-axis is the horizontal axis and Y-axis is the vertical axis. Step 4. Click on the OK button. Step 5. The legend on or off button is used to toggle between showing and hiding the legend for the chart. Step 6. The legend button is used to move the legend of the chart to left, top, right or bottom of the chart. Change chart dimension. LibreOffice Calc has inbuilt option to give a 3-dimensional or 3D look to the chart. To add 3D effect to the chart, check on 3D look option in Chart Type dialog box.